Welcome to our channel. If you're changing carriers while keeping your number, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth transition. Step 1. Research new carriers and select the best plan for your needs. Compare coverage, pricing, features, and any promotional offers or incentives for switching. Step 2. Verify your current phone is compatible with your new carrier. Check IMEI compatibility on the new carrier's website or ask them directly before switching. Step 3. Ensure your current account is in good standing with no outstanding balances. Carriers can delay or deny number porting if accounts have unpaid bills or are suspended. Step 4. Gather information from your current carrier, including account number and PIN. You'll need these details to authorize number transfer to your new provider. Step 5. Sign up with your new carrier and specifically request number porting. Provide your current phone number, account information, and authorization details during sign-up. Step 6. Keep your old service active until porting completes successfully. Never cancel your old account before the number transfers or you'll lose your number permanently. Step 7. Wait for porting to complete, which typically takes 2 to 24 hours. Your old phone will lose service while your new phone gains service as the transfer finalizes. Step 8. Test all services on your new carrier after porting, including calls, texts, and data. Verify everything works properly before formally canceling your old account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.